Okay, so it's 4 a.m. I'm up really early because that's how early you have to wake up to go to Rainbow Mountain. And Rainbow Mountain is a mountain with a lot of different colors because of the different minerals that are there. And it was just recently found about 5 years ago because the ice started to melt. So, and one of the workers who was doing construction over there was passing by and noticed that there were these amazing colors all melt on the mountain, which had never been seen before. It's beautiful, but it is going to be the highest point that I will go up. So it's like over 5,000 meters above sea level, which is more than SALKANTAY, which was a hike that I did, which is also very high. It's like 47 or 48,000 meters. And it's a harsh 2 to 3 hour hike up. But something I wanted to talk about quickly before I leave is that my phone died last night, so I couldn't film the things that happened the rest of the tour after I got to the Sun Temple. And there was a woman and a young girl on the bus who had seen me sing at the cemetery, or the tombstones, at Pisac. I can't lie, like, this is, they say, one of the greatest genocides, when the Spaniards came and basically killed off a lot of the Incas. I'm not gonna lie, I'm like right next to all the tombs. Right there, all those little holes. They're all over the mountain. Also, you can feel very cold, a powerful energy. Gives me the chills. So I'm gonna sing for them. And the woman was like, "Can I ask you some questions?" And I said, "Of course." And she was like, "I saw you sitting in the spot that you sat, which is right directly in front of all the tombs. And I just wanted to say it's very, very courageous, because I used to practice a lot of my spirituality and give offerings years ago. And that spot is very powerful. And the spirits at Pisac are very powerful. And I just wanted to know." And so I told her, I've been called here. And I just feel things out, and that's where I feel I was directed to present my offering. And my offering is always to surrender my voice to the spirit of the place. But, you know, something I didn't realize, it was, although I was feeling a lot of energy there, I usually am feeling the energies and the spirits of the mountains and nature, but this was different because there were a lot of people who were killed there, and by the Spaniards, and those were their tombstones. So there's not just spirit of the place, there's spirit of all the Incas there. I mean, I was aware of it because when I gave my offering, it was kind of like a respect. I was feeling like this is a tribute to you. I surrender my voice, and may you receive, and also may I receive and also give frequencies of love, light, and healing, and honor. And it was a little slightly different than usual. The songs that came out, the melody that came out, were a little different than usual too. powerful. And so she was just like, I'm really happy that you gave that offering, and also a physical offering. I gave a crystal, because she says that place always, if you don't give an offering, it will take an offering from you. That place is known, there's a lot of accidents there, specifically they say to the people who don't give the respect. I've felt very, like each day I'm like, how long am I gonna stay here? Like, can I go home now? And things come up where it's like, no, you must go and see this, you must go and see this, you know, and I actually slept okay last night. Thought I was gonna be like really scared, because I'm, in a way, I mean, physically alone, but when I'm out and about, like, I don't feel alone, and that's really amazing for me. I feel really, really, really protected. I feel good. I feel very sensitive to a lot of things right now, but yeah, let's go. So I'm about to climb Rainbow Mountain. As you can see, it's the highest altitude point that you can really climb here. It's about a 2-hour climb. I thought the climb to Machu Picchu was the last part, but nope. They're spraying some liquid, like flowery eucalyptus Inca perfume on our hands. See right there? To help us with altitude sickness. Let's do this.